Hey everybody, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today we're looking at a certified pre-owned 2019 all-new Chevy Blazer. This unit being certified will get you a longer warranty than you would have purchasing new. This is also the all-wheel drive model, which retails for over 40 grand. It can be yours today for just over 36,000. This is equipped with the automatic transmission and the 3.6 liter 6-cylinder engine. And here is the steering wheel controls and the dash. You can see it's only got not even 8,000 miles on it yet. Here is your touchscreen radio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your heat and AC controls, and your gear shift and your drive mode options, as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive options. The certified units are a great way to get into a new vehicle while having a longer warranty. You will have a 6-year, 100,000 mile coverage warranty on the powertrain on this vehicle and a 4-year, 48,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty on this Blazer. With it being an almost new unit at a 2019, you will be able to take advantage of a vast majority of that warranty. Please let us know if we can answer any questions for you. We've got plenty other units here on the lot that are all in great shape. Let us know what questions you have at 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000. You can also check us out online at applechevy.com, where we have our entire new and pre-owned inventory listed. Thank you very much.